Introducing the Galaxy AI, the powerful artificial intelligence system developed by Samsung to enhance the user experience. With the Galaxy AI, users can enjoy a seamless and intuitive interaction with their smartphones. Here are 6 unique features of Galaxy AI. 1. Personalized assistance. Galaxy AI learns from your usage patterns and preferences to provide personalized recommendations and assistance. Whether it's suggesting the best route for your daily commute or recommending restaurants based on your taste, Galaxy AI has got you covered. 2. Enhanced camera capabilities. Galaxy AI enhances the camera capabilities of compatible Samsung smartphones, allowing users to capture stunning photos with optimized settings and intelligent scene recognition. Voice recognition. With advanced voice recognition technology, Galaxy AI enables users to control their smartphones hands-free. Whether it's setting reminders, sending texts, or making calls, users can simply use their AI voice to get things done. Smart battery management. Galaxy AI intelligently manages the battery usage of compatible Samsung smartphones, optimizing power consumption based on usage, patterns to prolong battery life. Seamless connectivity. Galaxy AI seamlessly integrates with other smart devices, allowing users to control their smart home appliances and accessories with ease. Adaptive performance. Galaxy AI continuously monitors the performance of compatible Samsung smartphones and optimizes system resources to deliver a smooth and responsive user experience. Compatible Samsung smartphones include the Galaxy S10 Plus, S10, Note 9, Note 10, Note 10 Plus, and S20 series. Experience the power of Galaxy AI and elevate your smartphone experience to the next level. With its intelligent features and seamless integration, Galaxy AI is designed to make everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Don't miss out on the incredible capabilities of Galaxy AI, available on select Samsung smartphones. Elevate your smartphone experience with Galaxy AI today.